Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press that subscribe button down below. And there's also a notification bell there that you can also press to be notified of when I put videos out every Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding Lux Life and anything girly. So guys, I scored something pretty amazing at the previous Black Friday sale, and I've been looking at this item for a while, and I'm kind of glad that I didn't get it brand new from the boutique or the actual website because I saved tons of money. Well, I wouldn't say tons, but I would say at least a good 30%. And yeah, let's unbox this beauty, and I will also show comparisons of this item with other items that I have. So first things first, there it is. I got this from the website called Joma Shop, and I'll put a picture over here. They had a pretty substantial Black Friday sale, and I would say this item, like I said, I got for a good 25 to 30%. And I don't ever see this item ever go on sale on the website, obviously, but gosh, it was very exciting because I have been wanting to add this one in my collection for a while. Okay, I'm gonna get to it, guys. Sorry. All right, opened. Oh, goodness. All right, so, as you guys know, it is a Gucci item. And this is an SLG that I've been looking for from Gucci. There we go. Whoops. Let's take her out. All right, so I purchased this item for $309 plus taxes. And it retails for $480 plus taxes on the websites and if you go to boutiques and stuff like that. So let's look at her real quick. Look at that color, so perfect for Christmas. So guys, I got the GUCCI DIONYSUS coin purse. So this one I have been stocking for a while. It comes with a teeny tiny strap. The straps are removable, so if you don't want that on there, you can remove it. The Dionysus emblem is in gold, and the strap itself is in silver, like aged silver hardware. So that's the front. Side profile. It has glazing on the side, and that looks amazing. It's nice and smooth. And then back profile, so no pocket on the back. It's leather. It's kind of got that grained feeling as well. This is the color, I don't know, emerald. I'll have to look at it on the website to see. But when we open her up, she's got that the same hardware that holds my GUCCI Dionysus bag right there. It's a snap opening, so pretty comfortable. You've got your Gucci there. Let's see what else we can find. So we've got our cards. Oops, and it's got some silica gel and a few other cards. Okay, so it has two main pocket openings, and it's got that textile lining inside, which is gorgeous. So I wanted to add this one in my little SLG collection because I've been wanting a different pop of color. Now, if you guys aren't new to my website, you have seen this little guy. So this is the Chanel snap card holder. Pretty comparable in size, right? This one has the Mona Lisa pocket in the back. There we go. And then this one just has that one opening, but it has that little slip pocket in the front. So as far as the opening goes, or capacity, I would say this one will likely carry more cards for you. But they both bring a different feel to like your wallet, because this one has a little strap, but those colors, oh my goodness. So the other one that I wanted to pull out as far as SLGs and like card kind of holders and stuff like that is the Louis Vuitton key clay. So with this one is much thinner, but kind of longer in terms of the width of the actual bag, the SLG. And the side profile, you can see that this one is much thinner. So let's see how many cards we can fit in this one before we... So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see if we can fit, let's make it 10. I don't know why we're stopping at 9. All right, so I've got 10 cards. Let's put those in the back. Okay, so 10 cards fit nicely. Let's grab another, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's grab another 10 set of cards and put those in the front. And let's see if it gets bulky. All right, so that's pretty bulky, but she closed nicely. Let's see if I can make this a little bit. There we go. So 20 cards right now, guys. Side profile doesn't look terrible. I mean, obviously it's going to be a little bit wonky because I've got 10 cards in there, but she looks gorgeous. 20 cards, so 10 in each slot. Crazy. So I can never fit that much in my Chanel snap card. So let's see. There are 11 cards in here right now, plus because I'm keeping the authenticity card there, so that's pretty good. So let's add the next 10 and we'll see. I don't want to warp her, so we'll just kind of try our best. Yeah, no, not happening. So I love the color of this one. I really use this one for special occasions. I don't use it every day. I try not to. I baby this one a lot more just because I love that color and I want to keep it in my collection for forever. Now, as far as the Gucci one, I think this one will be much more durable than the Chanel one just because it has the glazing on the side. And that's going to be a little bit more hard wearing versus just the leather on the Chanel. So guys, what do you guys think of my new card holder? Absolutely love it. Oops. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I got it for a deal. Thank goodness for Black Friday, but it's also not so good for a shopaholic. But anyway, if you guys have something like this, please let me know down in the comment section. And if you love this one or hate it, please let me know as well. If you enjoyed today's video, like I said, please join my YouTube family. I do put videos out twice a week, and I'm very active on Instagram. My Instagram handle is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. If you just want to say hello on there or ask me general questions, please send me a message. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.